Let's be real, when you're tired, you don't feel like doing anything. All you want to do is just sit on the couch, binge watch Netflix, and eat a tub of ice cream. Unfortunately, that's not going to get you anywhere in life except, well, maybe a trip to the bathroom. So let's change it. Hey, I'm Matt Sherman, and welcome to Geek Psychology, where we treat life as a game. And this is the walkthrough. Imagine your energy level is like your mana bar in a video game. You start out all full of mana, but as you go around casting spells and doing awesome things, your mana goes down. If you want to keep going strong, you need to find ways to bring back your mana. There are many ways of doing this in-game. Maybe you're playing a game where, there are mana potions lying all around and you can use those, pick them up when your mana starts to run low. Or maybe there's a place where you can regenerate your mana, like by sitting by a mana pool or something like that, a moon shrine, touching the shrine or refilling it and things like that. And there are many ways of doing that in real life too, so I'm going to give you 5 and a bonus real way of regenerating your energy levels so you can actually get back to doing the things that are important to you. Number 1, go to sleep earlier and get up earlier. Step outside and take in the morning sun. I know you're already tired enough, right? The last thing you want to do is to wake up earlier and go outside and take in some sunlight at the butt crack of dawn. But hear me out, okay? Hear me out on this one. It's not just about getting sleep. It's not about sleep in general. It's your happiness that's important, right? And taking in the morning sun can help your body produce more serotonin throughout the day, which means that you're more likely to feel happier than if you hadn't done it. And who doesn't want that? Not only do you get the immediate mood boosting effects of the happy chemicals, right? But you're also going to get the benefits of better sleep because your body will start increasing and decreasing melatonin, the sleepy chemical, at the right times, which helps you regulate your circadian rhythm. Number 2, start the day with a big glass of water. Big glass of water. A simple win at the start of the day creates momentum. There were days in the past when I'd wake up and drown myself in a bottle of Coke before I even brushed my teeth or finish off last night's pizza. Pineapple pizza to be specific. And if you have an issue with that, comment down below and we can fight it out. Anyway, as you can imagine, that's not a great way to start the day. But the thing is, it's not just about not doing something bad. It's about doing something that's easy and good for you. It sets your day up to be more successful. And well, that's what this tip is all about. If you want to wake up and feel like you're already winning at life, then starting with a big glass of water is one of the first good things that you can do. And your body and mind will start looking for new ways to make progress on life. And progress feels good and is energizing. You'll thank me later. Number 3, move your body, even if it's just a little, like this. No, not like that. We all know it's important to get enough exercise and physical activity, but it can be hard to find time when you're busy. But you gotta do it. Have you ever had like bad shoulders or back or neck pains just from being hunched over the computer with these big headphones on all the time? If you took 5 minutes to just stretch and move around every 45 minutes, you'd loosen up your body and you'd feel more energized. And this doesn't mean that you need to join a gym or start doing daily runs, although that's good. Just getting up, going for a little walk around the block, doing some push-ups or something like that is really easy. And it doesn't take a lot of time or effort or a huge amount of energy to do it. And here's why it's important. Your mind and body are connected. When you take time, to do physical things, your mind gets a bit of energy boost and a recharge as well, which then stimulates your body to do that again. And this is how exercising helps you fight depression and anxiety, and it works with, everything in life too. You'll feel more motivated to keep working out because you've found that doing one thing makes everything else easier. So taking those actions to actually move and change your physiology will change your breathing and everything like that too, and that boosts your energy levels. It doesn't matter what kind of physical thing you do, the important part is that you're getting up and using your body. It'll help refresh your brain, which will leave you in even more ready states to tackle the next thing that happens. It'll also open you up in getting insights to help you solve problems and make your life easier. Have you ever had shower thoughts, right? Or you were just walking around outside and suddenly you understood everything and knew how your problem was connected to all these other aspects of your life? Well, that's because you're outside, you're moving your body, you're getting sensory stimulus, which is activating your intuition, and that's energizing. Number 4, your environment matters a lot, so make sure it's a positive one. Even if it's taking 15 minutes today to rearrange some furniture or clear out a corner of your desk or something like that, it'll be worth it. When you're able to see where you are and what you have to do around you, it's easier to stay on task and feel confident about the trajectory of your life. Having a clean space is like feeling accomplished after clearing up your inventory and stacking items and potions, except it's an actual accomplishment and not just moving around digital elements on a screen. Number 5, stop wasting time on social media. Move it somewhere else, move your phone somewhere else, turn off notifications. It's true that social media is a waste of time, but it's not the only thing that's draining your energy. Your phone is doing that too in more ways than one. So first, there are the obvious distractions, right? You get a text message, so you look at your phone, you notice a little, red bubble with a number on one of your apps, so you open it, and the next thing, you're looking at Facebook posts from 3 days ago. And at that point, maybe you try to return to the task. After all, it was important and you were making progress on it, but now your mind is AFK. Or maybe you give up entirely. After all, if someone was texting you and emailing you, then they need the answer now because it's urgent. And so the cycle repeats throughout your day, right? You start feeling drained by the end of it because there's never any time for any deep work, and it's not a good state to be in. Your phone is also distracting you by just being there, right? When it's in your pocket or on your desk, it takes up part of your mind. You don't have to be using it for it to drain some of your energy. Just knowing that it's there can kind of split your focus and make everything a little less efficient. Keeping social media notifications on is like perpetually channeling a spell. It just drains your mana. They deplete your mana and drains your energy over time, even though it just feels harmless at first. Right? Just because it's just a little, it doesn't mean it doesn't add up. And then eventually that splits your focus and you get distracted and you're drained in willpower. And by the end of the night, you're just exhausted. And at the end of the day, life is all about finding what works for you. So don't be afraid to experiment with different ways of improving your energy levels until you find what clicks for you. And let us know down below what your favorite mana pot is. What do you do to re-energize yourself? And as a bonus, if you want to feel more energetic, it can really help to understand your purpose, to find your purpose. Once you know why you're putting in the effort, it's like you've got a powerful magnet pulling you with so much energy that you won't believe the progress that you can make. You might even find yourself doing all these things that I just talked about without any struggle because you want to do it. So if you need help on living on purpose, then check out this video over here for some guidance to feel more inspired and motivated every day, even when it's hard. Good luck, have fun. Peace. Oh, filled it with blue. I love blue. Blue is the best. I guess blue would be mana. Rather fitting. I need to drink out of my red cup too. Fill up my health bar. It's probably a good thing. Gotta have health. I'm gonna go out and have a picnic. See ya.